my god, it's black.
Yeah. I'ma hang out with the misfits. Break bread with the peasants. Spend time with the loners. Raise hell up in heaven. Pick up with the dropouts. Get high with the have-nots. Stand up for the weak ones. Go to war with the standouts. I'ma get lit for the dark ones. I'ma get high for the dope fiends. I'ma get rich on you broke hoes.
Howdy everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video. We are going to show you how to do hood risers on the CRX. Let's get into it. So I was going through a bunch of my stuff and I ended up finding some pretty sweet hood risers that I'm not even too sure where they come from. I think my buddy Frank gave them to me. So we're going to put them to good use and put them on her car. And I think this is going to look pretty sweet. It's going to match the rest of the colors and everything with the neochrome, give it the little girly effect like she likes. So it's a pretty simple process. All we really got to do is there's two bolts down here. We're going to take these two bolts out. Mine is actually a 5/32 Allen head because I got the flat washers on hers for the whole engine bay dress up. So we're just going to pull these two out on both sides, and then the kit actually comes with their own little bolts. So as you saw in here, they've got the longer Allen pieces in there to make it reach so that it fits really well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on undoing those, putting these hood risers on, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright everybody, and that's how you do it. Here's the finished product. Yeah, it's got that sweet little rise to it. Looks awesome, huh? So I did have to go through in the little spring that's like right behind the Honda logo that adjusts the hood. You gotta tighten that up just a little bit sometimes to create that tight fitment again, because hers was a little bit loose after we did it. Sometimes you can get away with not having to do that, but we did. But right on everybody, thanks for checking out this video on how to put on hood risers. There's the wife. Stay tuned.